Hi, welcome to Kap Industries. My name is Russell and this is the installation procedure for a Kap Industries fire extinguisher mount into an SK Forester and a VB WRX. This is how we do it. The tools required to install the bracket is just a 12mm socket and ratchet and a couple of 8mm spanners. Just remove the two front seat bolts with your 12mm socket and ratchet. After you've removed your two front seat bolts, you'll just need to then position the bracket and find a place that you like to install your extinguisher. Today I'm installing this nice twin latch extinguisher, but you can use any metal caged extinguisher. Just please make sure you're using a metal cage that has these clips. The bracket comes with these M5 nuts and bolts and washers, and with those you mount the cage of the extinguisher to the bracket. So pull it off and mount the cage with those M5 nuts and bolts. And just tighten them up with those two 8mm spanners that you've got. Then simply put the bracket back in place and put the factory seat bolts back in. Then simply slip the extinguisher into its cage and clip it all up. Nice and secure, and it looks great. Well, thanks so much for watching. As you can see, they look great. It's a really great way to store a fire extinguisher. Hopefully you'll never have to use it, but it's always good to have that peace of mind. Now, if you'd like to purchase one of these, please have a look at the link in the description below, or go to our website at www.kap.industries. Thank you very much.